Hi guys, Andrew at Impress Computers. I want to talk to you all about a really good mid-end gaming computer that we have brought to you by Impress Computers. We have a Ryzen 9-5950X in there, stuck in Radeon RX 6600. We put a PNY Exhilarate NVMe solid state drive on there, unbelievably fast. We can put anything together for you guys if y'all wanted us to build a computer, teach the little ones how to do it, put the all-in-one cooler in there, just keep your cooling right on down. Those Ryzen 9s are extremely hot, okay? Even those Intel 12th gens get really hot, so you're gonna need a cooler. We build those, put those together for you. We'll teach you how to do it if you need anything like that, as well as your case. You bring in the components, we put it together for you. We'll do that typically around 3 days is what you'd be looking at. If you need any kind of extra components, we keep all of that in stock. Hard drives, graphics cards, 3080 Ti's, 2060 standards, 12 gigabyte cards, those are all here at Impress Computers. 281-647-9977. Thanks y'all.